Good morning, guys. It's me, Goofy Ruby, and this morning I'm going to work. Here is my daddy. No, it's my hubby Jeremy, and he will take me to work. You know why?
Well,
Check this
walking
out.
into the work.
Guys, look. Oh my! Look at the snow. It's so thick. How am I gonna go out?
You're gonna have to walk through it or jump.
I'm gonna get soaking wet.
Nah, it won't be soaking wet. It's not. I don't think it's a wet. It's not a wet snow.
What?
This is her very first experience in a major winter storm because last year we hardly had any snow.
Oh my god! Look at this place! Amazing! Oh my! It's so beautiful, Jeremy! So we're now here in Vermont, USA! Look at this!
We're now here in Vermont.
It's our first snowstorm for 2020,
Yeah.
right?
We didn't even have a snowstorm like this last year.
Yeah, we didn't have this storm last year. Wow! Look at that! And we're still going to go to work. Swap a little bit. Oh, look at the Christmas tree! We wish you a merry tissue.
Toilet paper tree.
We wish you a merry tissue.
That's why we don't have enough toilet paper. This is about. This is almost 2 feet of snow that it snowed last night.
I can't believe it. Look at our tree. This is our town. Our beautiful
Oh, that would look
town.
so beautiful with the snow on the tree right now.
Yeah.
If it wasn't snowing right now and it was daylight, we could drive around and it would be so beautiful.
Yes. It will be so beautiful.
Just took a video of that tree when we go over there.
Yeah. I want to take a picture here too. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Ah. On your mark, get set, go.
Woo, it's deep.
Get some snowshoes.
I have a song for you. I want nobody, nobody but you. Nobody, nobody but you. And na 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 na. This is perfect for making snow angel.
It's almost too deep.
So deep.
Yeah, you can try it if you
I'm
want.
so tired.
You're not wearing snow pants.
Oh my god, I'm not even wearing snow pants. Can I take a picture? Cross the road. The easier way. Oh! God, look at this. This is a real snowstorm. It's fun though. Sorry, but I'm really, really having fun right now. This snowstorm. Good Jeremy. Oh, my snowman. Hello, my snowman. Oh, our tree. Wow. Woo. Walking in the winter wonderland. Just stay right there. I'm gonna jump.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
That was a jump.
Look at the tree. It's so beautiful. Covered in snow. Okay. Oh.
They said it was like 6 to like 10 inches maybe, 6 to 12 inches maybe, but this is like more than 2 feet.
Uh-oh.
This is like 24 inches.
So how about our car? Okay, I'll go with you. Uh-oh. You're going to our car. Oh my, it's so deep.
Which one's our car?
Oh my. Which one is our car? So we need to get our car. We don't even know where our car is. Can't even see. Oh god, it's pretty deep. Make sure that's our car. Not somebody else's. Do you remember where you parked it?
Oh, this is not our car.
Oh my! Oh.
This is our car.
That's our car?
Yep.
Good.
Shout out your family right now, like live, you know?
Oh yes, I should. This is a bus stop. Look at the snow. Awesome. Woo!
Safe in the snow.
You're safe from the snow. I need to go in there too. My hands are freezing. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and shout. Oh, used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph joining in a reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And all the reindeer loved him. I don't know anymore.
Something with glee.
Shouted glee. I don't know, I was teaching them the whole week and I forgot. Okay, doesn't matter. My hands are freezing.
Reindeer games.
That was a good one. So much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and